Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 11, paper 33 May 2017. There are given two equations, complex numbers z and w satisfied by the equation. Solve the equations of z and the w, give you answer in the form of x plus iy, where is x and y are in. It's clear we have two equations. You can use elimination method, you can use substitution method. Which is easier if we start to get z plus, if you expand, will be z plus w plus I, w is equal to I. Second equation, z minus zi plus I, w is equal to 1. If you get z as a subject from the first equation, will be I minus w minus I w. You can substitute in this equation by the value of z. If you substitute z, remove it and write I minus w minus I w minus I multiplied by I minus w minus I w plus I w is equal to, expand I minus w minus I w minus I times I, which is I squared, minus plus I w minus plus I squared w plus I w is equal to 1. Simplify, especially this part, I squared which is equal to minus 1, I squared which is equal to minus 1. So I minus w minus I w minus I squared is equal to negative 1 will be plus I w, I squared which is equal to minus 1 minus w plus I w is equal to 1. So simplify more, we can remove 1 from both sides. This is minus and this is plus, also you can remove. I minus w and minus w is minus 2. W plus I w is equal to 0. To get w subject, you can move negative 1 to the other side. You can keep I like this and move to the other side to be 2w minus IW by taking it outside. So I is equal w2 minus I. So w is equal I over 2 minus I. But still w is not in its simplest form. Multiplying by the conjugate, 2 minus I over 2 minus I. So w is equal to I minus I squared divided by 4 plus 1. Take your time to expand, simplify this part. So I squared is equal minus 1, minus is plus 1, plus 2I divided by 5. So the final answer, w is 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5I. This is w in its simplest form, written in the form of written in the form of x plus iy. Sorry, I have mistaken this part. I forgot to change the sign. Conjugate have to be plus. So if you simplify it now, will be 2I plus I squared. So I squared is equal to minus 1. So it will be minus 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5I. Now, by the same way, or after finding w, you can substitute in this equation to get z, or by the same way, you can get w as a subject from this equation, get it w in terms of z, and substitute in this equation. From this part, you can remove W and write the answer. Simplify your answer, you can get Z. Or you can get again W as a subject from this equation, move to the other side, then substitute in this equation, get W subject, then multiply by the conjugate. I will write the answer direct of the second part. Z is equal 5/3. Z is equal 5/3. Second part is plus 4/5i plus 5/4i. 5/4, sorry, it's 4/5i. 4/5i. Part B, the complex number U and V are given by U given and V given, represented in Argand diagram. Start to show on the Argand diagram the two complex number. So the vertical line, and this is the horizontal one. The complex number U is 1 and 2√3. Let's say this is 1 and 2√3 at this point. If we say we'll take the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 2√3 approximately 3.46, approximately 3.5. Complex number U, and V3 and 2i, 1, 2, 3, and 2i at this point. This is V. U and V are represented by the points A and B. Let's say this point is point A and point B. A third point C lies in the first quadrant and is such that BC double of 2AB. We join BAB. This is AB. This is AB. BC double of AB, and the angle ABC is 90 degrees. Angle ABC is 90 degrees, and this length is double. Let's say this is 90 degrees, and this is the coordinates. We don't have it. C, where is BC is double. If say this one, will be double. So the ratio in between 1 to 2. You can find the length or the magnitude of the length of AB by using the 2 points, then double it if he asks to get the exact value of BC. The complex number Z represented by C give your answer how to get the coordinates of C. First, if we draw this line to represent x-axis of the point C, we want to find the value of C. And to get the value of Y, let's complete these 2 triangles. And get the length of each. To get the coordinates, now we'll try to find the length of each line. You can find the length of AB by using this point is 1 and 2√3, and the coordinates of the point B, which is 3 and 2. You can find length and double it. you can find the length of CB. And also you can use similarity between these two triangles. How come these two triangles are similar? This angle is X, or name it alpha. This angle is alpha, and this angle is beta. So also this angle will be beta, and this angle will be alpha. Because of what? Angle beta and alpha, their sum is equal to 90. In this side, these two angles is equal to 90. And also this angle plus the same angle is equal to 90, so have to be same. If we try to get 180 minus alpha minus 90, you will get it the same answer. So these two triangles are similar by this way. This angle alpha, this angle alpha, this angle beta, this angle is beta. So these two triangles are similar by using angles, corresponding angles are equal. So I will use the same ratio. If these two triangles are similar, if this side is 1, this is double. So BC, it's written BC double of 2AB. By the same way, if I name this point D and this point is E. So how to get BE length? BE double of which side? Look at the angles. Double of AD. Double of AD. And side of CE. CE double of, by the same, compare angle, double of DB. DB. Let's now start. I need only to get the vertical and the horizontal to show the X and Y coordinates. So look at these two parts. Let's start now with BE. BE double of AD. AD, you can find the length directly by subtracting the vertical. This X, this is Y, and this is Y, which is 2√3. So the vertical distance in between subtract. So AD is 2√3 minus 2. Then multiply it by 2. You can get the length of BE. 2 by 2 is 4√3 minus 4. By the same way, how to get CE? CE double of DB. DB, the distance between 3 and 1, so the answer will be 2. So will be 2. Double it, so CE is equal, double of 2 will be 4. Now, we need to get the X coordinate and the Y coordinate. For X coordinate, now we have the length of each side. So BE as a side is 4√3 minus 4. So add 3 to get the value of X. So X is equal 3 plus 4√3 minus 4. So the answer will be 1, 4√3, 4√3 minus 1. For Y is the vertical distance. This distance is 2 and this distance is 4. So the vertical distance is 6. So the complex number as X and Y will be 4√3 minus 1. This is the real part plus 6 and 6I. This is the imaginary part. This is the final answer exact to get the coordinates of the point C, or write C as a complex number in the form of X plus Y. Thank you.